A for Al Pacino.
A for Al Pacino.
A for Audrey Hepburn.
A for Audrey Hepburn.
B for Betty Davis.
B for Betty Davis.
B for Brad Pitt.
B for Brad Pitt.
C for Charlie Chaplin.
C for Charlie Chaplin.
C for Kate Blanchett.
C for Kate Blanchett.
D for Daniel Day-Lewis.
D for Daniel Day-Lewis.
D for Denzel Washington.
D for Denzel Washington.
E for Elizabeth Taylor.
E for Elizabeth Taylor.
E for Edward Norton.
E for Edward Norton.
F for Faye Dunaway.
F for Faye Dunaway.
F for Fred Astaire.
F for Fred Astaire.
G for Gregory Peck.
G for Gregory Peck.
G for Gary Oldman.
G for Gary Oldman.
H for Humphrey Bogart.
H for Humphrey Bogart.
H for Harrison Ford.
H for Harrison Ford.
I for Ingrid Bergman.
I for Ingrid Bergman.
I for Ian McKellen.
I for Ian McKellen.
J for Jack Nicholson.
J for Jack Nicholson.
J for Judi Dench.
J for Judi Dench.
K for Katharine Hepburn.
K for Katharine Hepburn.
K for Keanu Reeves.
K for Keanu Reeves.
L for Laurence Olivier.
L for Laurence Olivier.
L for Leonardo DiCaprio.
L for Leonardo DiCaprio.
M for Marlon Brando.
M for Marlon Brando.
M for Meryl Streep.
M for Meryl Streep.
N for Nicole Kidman.
N for Nicole Kidman.
N for Natalie Portman.
N for Natalie Portman.
O for Orson Welles.
O for Orson Welles.
O for Olivia de Havilland.
O for Olivia de Havilland.
P for Paul Newman.
P for Paul Newman.
P for Philip Seymour Hoffman.
P for Philip Seymour Hoffman.
Q for Quentin Tarantino.
Q for Quentin Tarantino.
Q for Queen Latifah.
Q for Queen Latifah.
R for Robert De Niro.
R for Robert De Niro.
R for Robin Williams.
R for Robin Williams.
S for Spencer Tracy.
S for Spencer Tracy.
S for Scarlett Johansson.
S for Scarlett Johansson.
T for Tom Hanks.
T for Tom Hanks.
T for Tilda Swinton.
T for Tilda Swinton.
U for Uma Thurman.
U for Uma Thurman.
V for Viggo Mortensen.
V for Viggo Mortensen.
V for Vanessa Redgrave.
V for Vanessa Redgrave.
W for Will Smith.
W for Will Smith.
W for Winona Ryder.
W for Winona Ryder.
X for Xander Berkeley.
X for Xander Berkeley.
Y for Yulbrynner.
Y for Yelbrynner.
Z for Zachary Quinto.
Z for Zachary Quinto.